Hello everyone, WordPress have version updates and themes plugin updates. So when your website have any updates, you can see this little update icon, and right side of that you will see how many updates you have. Also if you hover over dashboard, you will see updates section. So it's really important to get up to date of your website and use the latest version of WordPress and latest version of plugins and themes, because all plugins and themes update according to WordPress versions, and those updates are help us to protect our website from malwares and hackers. So let's see how to update our WordPress version and other plugins and themes. Before you update, you have to get responsibility of your website and your action, because if you don't know much details about WordPress plugin folders or themes, don't update your WordPress version or plugins and themes. Just hire a professional person and do it. If you do by your own self, you have to get the responsibility. If you do it, make sure to get backup before make any changes. First of all, you have to get backup before you update the WordPress website. So you can go to updraft and backup restore. In here you can click this blue button that called backup now and get the backup. After that you can start to update your WordPress website. So because when sometimes we update the WordPress website, if there has any conflict or those updated version are not compatible with current version, your website may go down. So if we have backup, we can restore the backup and get online of our website again. So don't forget to get backup before update any item on your WordPress website. So after you get backup, go to dashboard and go to update. In updates, currently I have 2 plugins update and 2 themes update. So currently I use WordPress version 5.7. So this is the latest version. Also you can click this check again button and find there has any newer version of WordPress. So currently I don't have any version of WordPress. So if you don't have latest version on your WordPress, you will see a button here that called update to this version. So currently I have reinstalled version. So basically click on this button and update your WordPress version before you update any plugins or themes. Okay, now I successfully update my WordPress version to 5.7. So let's go again to dashboard and update. Now I have to update those plugins. So I can check this plugin and click on updates plugin. So I can update one by one or update all plugin at once. We already have backup, so let's update all plugins at once. Okay, those 2 plugins are updated. Let's go to our website and see if there has any change. Now our website working well, so I will go to WordPress update page. Then I will scroll down. There has 2 themes update, so I will select all and update the theme. So when you update your theme, you have to consider about child theme, because if you make any changes to main theme of your website, I mean if you change style.css file on your main theme and if you update your WordPress theme, those changes will replaced by the update. So if you make any changes to your WordPress theme files, you have to create a child theme and make changes on that child theme. So we successfully update the WordPress theme. Currently we don't have any more updates. So try to update your WordPress website, but make sure to get backup before you update your WordPress website.